welcome back to my channel, Drunk Crafts with Paige. I am Paige, and this week I am drinking just some good old pop and vodka. I feel like this is something that I drank in college, just some cheap vodka, cheap pop, drink of the gods. And this week, as I mentioned last week, we're going to continue on decorating these wooden trays. I bought a 3-pack of them, so we have multiple opportunities to decorate multiple trays. Last week we did some pigmented resin that just we dumped inside and made a cool design. And this week I figured we would do just a good old-fashioned pour in the bottom of this. I went ahead and pre-painted the bottom just like I did last week. However, this time our base coat is black and it's all totally dry. So we're just gonna get on to the pouring part. So if you're interested in seeing how our tray turns out this week, then please stick around. For this project, we are going to just be using paint, and I figured we would just go ahead and do a regular old dirty pour. Seems easy enough that we can fill up our empty cup with our paint and just kind of flip it upside down, pull it up, see what we get. And I enjoyed the combination that we had with black and all of our different metallic colors. And it's been a while since we did any of those paintings. Probably, I think the last one we did was our goddess pour. And like I said, I really liked the way the metallics went with the black. So we're just gonna go ahead and try that as our colors. I've got black in all of my metallics here. And my last step is going to be adding the silicone real quick to all of these. And I don't know if I ever showed you guys, but I got these silicone mixing sticks for both resin and paint, and y'all, they're a game changer. They make it so much easier. Like, I can just rinse them off if I'm using them for paint, and I can very easily remove the resin from them when the resin's cured. And that's awesome because now I'm not wasting popsicle sticks every time I go to paint. So in this cup, I think we're gonna start out with this tealish color, and I'm just gonna do a little blob of black in between each of our layers. So teal, let's do blue, a little bit of black, purple, a little bit of black. It's fun to say, a little bit of black. And then red. And then we're just gonna cycle through all of those again. Beautiful. And I'm gonna move all my cups out of the way first. And then, as I said, this is just gonna be a dirty pour, so I'm gonna do my best to woo. Alright, the tray is down and the paint is down. I'm gonna wait just a little bit to kind of let it all drop. Alright, and I'm just gonna try to carefully twist and pull straight up. Ooh, it's very galaxy-like. Now let's maybe heat it a little bit first before we start moving stuff around. Ooh. Well, it's in all four corners. And I'm going to go ahead and heat it again with the heat gun. There's so many tiny little cells. It's beautiful. Maybe I've said this before, but I feel like the pinkish red always gets lost. And I thought I added an equal amount of that color. But you can see it in all these tiny little cells up around the edge, and there's some down here. Well, I really love this. My goal was to have a lot more of the metallics than the black. I didn't want the black to like drown out our beautiful colors. So I really like how this is. Once the paint is totally dry, we are going to go ahead and put a nice resin coat over top to protect our piece, and then this tray can actually be used as a tray. Our paint is totally dry, and so the resin for this part is just going to be really simple. I've already mixed some up, and we're just going to dump clear resin in, move it around with my fingers, make sure it covers the entire bottom of the tray, and we're just going to let it cure. We are outside, so it is time to take an up-close look at how our tray turned out. I'm trying to do this in the shadows because the resin coat makes it so difficult because it's just so glossy. But we have so many beautiful cells. The metallics turned out so cool, and they sparkle when you do put it in the sun. So I love the way this tray turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you all enjoyed it, and if you did, feel free to leave a like and maybe subscribe to the channel. My links for my Instagram and my Facebook page are listed down below, as well as my PayPal if you'd like to contribute to the channel. I'll see you guys all for the next video.